Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the network and internet section, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch your hotspot here. You can also change some of its settings. For example, you have this keep Wi-Fi hotspot on. This is just you can set in which time when nobody is connected your hotspot will turn off automatically. You can set it on 5 or 10 minutes. Here you can set up your hotspot. You can change its name, you can change its security protocol here, you can change its password, you can change its AP band, you can reset OOB settings, you can manage maximum amount of connections here. You can also set VPS connect with push button or with pin from client, and you can also manage connected users here and blocked users here. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.